you are about to become a Muay Thai technical surgeon. This video is going to give you 3 techniques that you're going to use to outclass any aggressive opponent. We're going to teach you how to use proper Muay Thai footwork to jab backwards. We're going to give you multiple attacks that you can use to add to your jab teep. And we're going to teach you the powerful walk-through knee to shut the aggressive opponent down in their tracks. Make sure you watch the content from beginning to end and try it out in your training and let us know how it works out for you in the comment section. We look forward to hearing from you. Are you ready to cook?
Yes.
Tabernacle. Let's go. When you're dealing with that extra aggressive opponent, the first thing that you want to make sure you're doing, make sure you have good spacing, good distance management. And that starts with the footwork. When they're coming forward, it's very simple. You're going to lead with the back foot. This is my back foot. You lead with it. Lead means go first, right? Not only are you leading with the back foot, you're making sure that you have proper spacing. And you use the proper spacing with the lead hand. He's the aggressive opponent. You're going to utilize this distance and the space. Distance and space. You coming aggressive? Look. He can't even keep up. I've already moved. So you're going to lead with that back foot. The way to practice that is very simple. You're in your stance and just push back. Bang, bang. That's it. And remember, when you're stepping back, it's heel toe. You don't want to moonwalk. He come forward aggressive. I'm not doing this. He's coming aggressive. I'm not bringing my feet together. No, you always want to keep that separation between your legs. So he come forward aggressive fast. Look. Bang. Look at that. That gives me room. So now you have the proper footwork. Next, you're going to add your jab to it. So when you're backing up, you're going to jab. I recommend maybe 2 or 3 steps backwards and then turn. When you're jabbing backwards, you want to make sure that you're following the principles of jabbing. So you're going to turn the knuckle over. You're going to protect your chin with your shoulder because they're aggressive. If somebody's aggressive, you don't know where the punch is coming from sometimes. So if you're jabbing backwards with the chin up, they're not even looking. Boom! Pobrecito. You're knocked out for sure. Make sure you're practicing with perfect precision. It will protect you. Chin down, lead with the back foot. We're going to go slow this time. Just a simple jab, turn the knuckle over, protecting the chin with the shoulder. Go, pop, 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 pop. Chin down, bang, bang. Very good. I want you to examine Tito's shoulder and chin. It's like a pocket, or it is a pocket. Pop, there we go. It's a pocket right here. You see his chin is protected. He's not jabbing with this wide open because I'm an aggressive opponent. I'm throwing uppercuts. I'm throwing anything, right? So it's nice and protected. That little hole right there, he's protected. Come on, go back. This is the first technique that you're going to use when you're dealing with that extra aggressive opponent. Or Muay Muay, buffalo head. One more. Pop, pop, there you go. Pop, look, pop. I can't even get him. When we say Muay Muay or buffalo head, they're not thinking. They just want to grab. And you're stepping backwards and you popping him right there in the face. Pop, pop. He's trying to grab. There you go. And you have a lot of room. And remember, after 2 or 3 steps backwards, then you're going to turn. So let's show them the turn very slow. He pop, 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 pop. There you go. And now that aggressive opponent has to turn. By the time they're turning, you can already be kicking, long knee, whatever. Or you can just take your time and just freeze them with that technique. The next technique that we're going to show you is the fake Teep Jab with multiple attacks. With this one, you really want to make sure that you're leading with that back foot. When they're coming forward, I'm leading, and watch how I raise it. So because they're coming aggressive, you're not going to have time to sit up and then fake teep or leg raise. No, it has to be a quick jerk. So they're coming forward, just like that. You see, he knew it was coming and I still got him. So you, boom, and from there, that's when you throw your attack. So you don't have to back up again. The purpose of it is for you to freeze them. One more time. You're stepping forward aggressive. You're giving yourself room. Bob, you don't even have to jab. I'm giving myself room. Then I fake. And then I do it. And from there, you long knee. Boom. Bob, from there, punch, hook, leg meet, bang, fake, Bob, blind him. Boom, up elbow. Very effective. Fake, Bob, bang, teep. Whatever you decide to do. The key of it is that having your distance, not panicking, keeping your right hand up, and you have to fake it, not too slow. You really have to sell that fake. Even though I'm on the back foot, I'm not just going to jerk it. No. Pop, pop, pop. There we go. Really sell it. Boop, here. Boop, bang. Pop, bang. Again, step, pop, bang. There we go. Boom. Up to you. Let's give it to him a little bit quicker, Tito. Can we do that?
Yes.
My man Red. So I'm the aggressive opponent, coming forward. But there you go. Oh, I like. So now they're still aggressive. He's mad now. There you go. There we go. What else you got, Bob? Bob. Yep, there we go. Now he's breathing. The aggressive opponent is mad now, so you're winning. We're using our mind, not our egos, not our hearts. You have to be smart, be wise, and be calm. So now he comes back aggressive again, and you do it again. You're stepping backwards, fake teep touch. Yep, pop that. Yep, very nice. What else you got, toothpick? Very good. So we give you the proper footwork to pepper them with that jab. You got the stepping back, fake teep touch with multiple attacks. The next one we have for you is the walk through knee. When your opponent or partner is coming forward aggressive, it can be a little bit daunting sometimes. They have that mean scowl on their face. You know something hard is coming, so you have to brace yourself. So he's coming forward aggressive. Bob, I'm bracing myself. You see, my chin is down, my hands are up strong. And with this walk through knee, you're gonna kind of let them walk into it. You're gonna have to give yourself space, just like we talked about initially. But as soon as you get that space, you're gonna walk in and feed. You have to use the proper principles. So he come in, Bob, you see I have this room, now I step, feed. He come in, Bob, fake, Look, Bob, he's aggressive. He's aggressive. Now, as soon as I step, they're going to walk in, you're going to walk in at the same time. Step, you see I step, and then I know he's going to step again. We're playing a game of chess. As soon as they step, they're thinking that you're going to back up, but they're going to run into a brick wall. Step again, just like that. With the walk through knee, it's a couple of ways that you can do it to protect yourself. You can use the cell phone, or you can make sure that you're grabbing the opponent's hands. So when they're coming forward, you see I got my room, now I got them. Right there. You see I protect myself. Knee. So even if he tries to hook, it's there. They come in again, I fake, grab. Have room now. I know he's coming in, step, That's it. Pin the hand down, knee. Here, there's multiple ways. The key is timing and distance. In the middle of their step, you're gonna make sure that you're stepping forward. You've already backed up. Remember, it's like a matador, Olay. As soon as they come in aggressive, got them. Stop them right in their tracks. It all starts from the foundational footwork, giving yourself enough room to work. Ready to give it to him fast?
Yes.
Tabernacle, let's go. I'm aggressive. Good, nice, very good. He's baiting him in. You're going to be baiting their opponent in. Look at the waist and not the face, and your timing. So he's backing up. As soon as he crosses his line, I'm going to bang it out. He crossed that line. As soon as he crosses, bop, now that's very good. That'll stop that aggressive guy right in his tracks. That sharp knee, step, and then feed. I'm an aggressive opponent. Everything gets tight. He's not panicking. I want to knock all the curls out his head. And then oh, nice. Very good. That quick reaction, that quick jerk. Step in, before they know it, boom, that knee's right there in that abdominal. So that's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA Online Muay Thai Drills and Workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description. And to get dripped out with us with KMA apparel and Muay Thai training gear, just hit that shop link in our pinned comment in the description. If you want more Muay Thai tutorials on our channel, all you have to do is click this video right here. It's going to give you our full playlist that we know that you're going to enjoy.